What's up, vlog? I made it. They're about to leave the neighborhood. And I'm learning.
What's this?
Chris, this is your screen compressor. Abraham said this one was weird, so we're gonna pick up this and return this to this garbage. That's why you go to all of them, by the way.
You turn off your car when you fill up.
This is your first time, right? Seeing it? What do you like?
It's clean.
Start up. Here's a key. Ford Performance X-Pipe and Borla, like, they're Stingers technically. They're sport, so it's the Stingers. Okay, yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Is there a push up right? Yeah, there's.
Yeah.
No, let me get
the clutch grab's low.
Low?
Lower.
Oh yeah, real low. Dude, this is easy to drive.
I know, this car, like an idiot can drive this car.
Yeah, an idiot can drive this car. That's a good thing though.
Yeah.
Why does the front end feel so long?
It is big.
Hey, am I tripping?
No,
it
is big. Brakes.
Dude, the brakes feel hella nice.
And
they feel better than the cover. I'll tell you one thing though, the Coyotes, dude, they sound
I love it. I love it.
Like newer Coyotes.
I've always loved the 5.0s too.
I'm rolling down a little bit.
Yeah, roll so you hear the exhaust.
Does it have throttle body?
No, it has an intake though.
Oh, okay.
And it makes it whistle.
Yeah, I was gonna say it makes that whistle. Is it short shift or they're just low?
Stock.
They're naturally low.
I mean, it does have a little slop, but it's overall pretty good.
Yeah. I'm telling you, dude, it feels long in the front, but
it is.
So cool.
It feels pretty good, doesn't it? It's easy to drive though.
Easy, stupid easy. I'm grinding shit down.
No. It pulls good though, doesn't it? For stock?
Dude, that's stock?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna. Dude, that feels good as shit.
Joel liking the 5.0, the Coyote game?
Dude, I'm telling you, the
pulls nice, not gonna lie.
Dude, stock? That surprises me, honestly.
Alright, I'm gonna show Joel the driver mod.
There we go. Feels good. Right here, right? Yeah, right here.
Alright, we gotta see the Mach versus the 5.0 though. How's it going, Chris?
Going good, I'm excited. I'm excited to start rubbing everywhere. Scraping.
Got the Mach 1, got that in the Cobra. We have the Shelby. I told Joel that the Fox body kind of looks like a Skyline.
Yeah, not literally a Skyline.
But it has similarities.
Tell me.
The front hood is long, and it has like the little hatch part in the back.
That is not a hatch, that's a trunk.
Well, not hatch, but like it has that same look. Hey, let's see the stud muffin. We'll block out the details. Throwback Thursday with the other haircut.
Yeah.
Gee. Hey, poll right here. Should Joel keep the Drake hairstyle or go back to the comb over?
It's a way.
The front runners.
I know.
So we got the skinnies.
Yep.
Real quick.
We're just on a budget, so we don't have tires right now.
Yeah.
But we're gonna let Chris borrow them.
Yeah.
I guess
Chris.
he's gonna race some other YouTuber. What's his name?
That guy Marin.
I guess they got the same like.
Hey, let's set up. We should set something up.
Set it up.
No, we should set a YouTuber
What
shootout.
state is he from?
He's in Texas.
Oh yeah.
Fitment looks good. You got it. Yeah, perfect. All right, guys. So we got Chris SVT's GT500 finally lowered on the iBox Pro Kit, and it looks pretty good, right? Would you say you're satisfied?
Yes. Settle too.
Yeah, it'll settle over time a little bit. We're gonna take the 5.0 and the Shelby to get pizza.
This is loud. Damn, this car is loud.
Pretty clean or what?
Yeah, that's just sick. The interior on this shit is
I know, it's like a whole new ass
slick,
car.
bro.
makes me want a GT350.
No, the
Right.
GT350, yeah, dude, they're hella.
Hey, would you get rid of all your other cars and get only a 500 and 350?
I'll keep all my cars and get it.
You know? My boy.
I think I am gonna buy one though, for real.
Yeah?
You should have done it that day. But you gotta rate the mock.
I'm gonna buy one.
What's good, bro?
Chris ran into a friend. They got the meters too loud. What do I Dude, that shit's so quick. Oh my god. I like the exhaust though. Chris SVT did a great job on the Corsa Extremes.
Another shameless plug, Chris SVT.
Yeah, but it's quite like it's
Yeah, like it
thin.
sounds good in here, right?
Yep, good. Yep. Nope, you're good.
Oh, you messed up. We should have. Next time for sure. You don't scrape. Oh, barely. You're good.
I love how you can hear the intake.
I sound like a throttle body.
It's just performance, not like.
I'm good. JLT catch can, so that means it's okay to have. The intake. Yeah.
The air filter?
What a car guy would say like, oh damn, this fucking like, look, this looks cool. Like, look at this guy, you know. All right. Wait a minute. Those are not Brembos. Why is there a Brembo sticker? Anyway, we need to remove that sticker.
I'm
You
okay.
got Ford performance.
It is a Ford performance car now.
This is kind of cool.
Did you put it what?
Hey, why isn't it pushing out that much pressure? Oh, I'm just doing it. Yeah, I got you. Oh. Hey, got a towel?
Ain't nothing new.
He likes it. Oh yeah, wipe it on you. I'm surprised you haven't took off that Brembo sticker.
I'm not taking it off.
Check this out. So we got real Brembos right here, you know.
What's the idle at right now? 1,000?
Right now it's cool because I unplugged
It's cool, no?
It's cool because you unplug the sensor though. It's not. It should be running cool when the sensor's plugged in. It don't make no sense.
Clutch feels good now. You fix it or what? And the 5.0 is alive again. Hold on, I need to drop a gear and disappear. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
I just pulled up on your address. Girl, you always ask me mad. Got some money for the night, yeah. New job, had to pull up on you right away. Tell your friends, let's throw a party, girl, don't ask questions. I got this cash for you, you gotta pass with me. Girl, don't you act, baby. Girl, don't you act, baby. I know you're thinking about the times we used to have, baby. I ain't pull up fashion, I ain't pull up fashion. Love how you dress, hate how you acting. I need you back, yeah. I need you back, yeah. Don't fight with me, girl, don't fight with me. I got so distant, so distant. I go missing, I miss you. I feel you, I'm with you. I feel you, girl, I'm with you. I pull up fast, you know. I pull up fast, you know. I pull up fast, you know. I pull up fast, you know, yeah. Yeah. We figured out a few things back on this side.